We are following breaking news now at 3. The Georgia Court of Appeals officially setting October 4th as the tentative hearing date in former President Donald Trump's effort to disqualify District Attorney Fani Willis in the Georgia election interference case. 3 judges have been assigned to hear that appeal. Atlanta News First will continue to follow this story and bring you new details as we get them.
Welcome to the It's Culture Podcast. My name is Mark, and I got some breaking news out of the city of Atlanta. Fani Willis, Lord, you just screwed up the entire Trump case. So we're going to talk about that today. So if you could do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get the updates. And thank you all to all the new subscribers. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So keep hitting that subscribe button as we are on this journey to 1,000 subscribers. So as I was saying, Fani Willis has screwed up this Trump case. So we're going to go to the news right now and check this out. Fair use, fair use, fair use.
Also developing this evening, a major headline in the Georgia election interference case against former President Trump. Hallie Jackson joins us now. Hallie, an appeals court stepping in here today.
That's right, Lester. They're pressing pause on the case altogether until a panel of judges decides whether the Fulton County District Attorney, Fani Willis, should be allowed to continue prosecuting this. Now, a lower court has already said yes, but Mr. Trump's team appealed, arguing she should be disqualified because of a conflict of interest, which Willis denies, over a romantic relationship with an attorney she hired to handle the case. Now, here's the most immediate impact, the timeline. There is just no practical way that this would get to a trial now before November's election. So that's perhaps a political win, if not a legal one yet for Mr. Trump, Lester.
Where do we even start with this? Her relationship is the reason why this is going to the appeals court now. Get you up to speed if you haven't been following this. Trump has a case in Georgia, more specifically in the city of Atlanta, and Fani Willis is the prosecutor on that case. This is involving election interference, where it's alleged that he, along with about 10 co-conspirators, tried to use political influence to steal an election. This goes back to when it is alleged that he reached out to the Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger, and asked him to find 11,000 more votes in Fulton County so he could win the state in the 2020 election. They brought charges against him. Rudy Giuliani is actually on this as a defendant as well. And this case can't move forward because Fani Willis brought in a special prosecutor by the name of Nathan Wade. And later on, it was discovered that her and Mr. Wade had a relationship that made this a conflict of interest. So Trump attorneys, they decided to file an appeal to have the case thrown out on the grounds that there was a conflict of interest. The judge ruled on that case, and he decided that Fani Willis and Nathan Wade, one of them had to go, but both of them couldn't stay on the case. So ultimately, because Nathan Wade was a special prosecutor, he stepped down, and that allowed the judge to go ahead and proceed in this case. But now an appeal has been filed by Trump, and that appeal filed states that they want to go after Fani Willis, and they want to overrule the lower judge's ruling that Fani Willis should stay on the case. So that goes to court in October. We know the election is in November. So sure enough, we already know and we can already see that nothing is going to be done on this case if Trump wins the election in November. So kudos to you, Fani. Kudos to you. You decided to choose your boyfriend and screwed up the entire case, trying to be slick, trying to get one over on the city of Atlanta, trying to get one over on these prosecutors. I mean, not the prosecutors, but trying to get over on the defense team. And Trump had some people that could find a loophole to get him out of this and possibly get this case completely thrown out. So, what do y'all think? Do y'all think that Fani Willis should have just stepped down when Wade stepped down so it wouldn't have been no conflict of interest at all? Do you think the case is over with now and this case is involving Trump is completely done? And what's the ramifications for this? I mean, there's a lot of taxpayer dollars being spent right now on Fani Willis as if she is on trial and she's supposed to be the prosecutor. So, but thank you all so much for tuning in. Just let me know what y'all think in the comments, and let's keep these conversations going. Culture Nation, let's keep it culture. Thank you.